ALBA Macro Group is a Spanish firm with two different sites placed in strategic locations. The manufacturing plant in Sondica in the surroundings of Bilbao is perfectly connected with highways, airport and seaport. The other site is located in Miranda de Ebro, one of the principal road and railway keys of the north of the country. In 1957, ALBA started its industrial activity manufacturing reinforcing steel bar equipment on site works and hanging scaffolds. Since then, ALBA has widened its range of products, becoming one of the most prestigious firms in its area. Nowadays, ALBA Macro Group exports its wide variety of products for constructions to more than 50 countries throughout the world. ALBA Macro has its head office in Sondica, at 10 kilometers from Bilbao. The plant in Sondica, as well as the other in Miranda, has an engineering department dedicated to designing and development of the machinery and technical manufacturers. From a leading position in manufacturing hanging scaffold, ALBA Macro took a step forward incorporating technology in lifting through rack pinion, becoming the first manufacturer in obtaining European Community Certificate in 1997. Ever since, in our site at Sondica, we manufacture rack pinion hoists for different capacities, as well as hoists for passengers and materials, all of them supplied with rack pinion systems. From the designing of the machine up until quality control, the manufacturing process takes place in this fully equipped location. In the machining area, we manufacture pieces under more than 2,000 different references. Different robotized works assure maximum precision in the work chain. After assembling, products are checked one by one. Our site in Miranda de Ebro is located on a surface of 8,500 square meters. With our own engineering and taking advantage of the leading technology in software and structural calculus, in ALBA Macro, we produce the latest generation lifting systems that include the most advanced materials and technical devices. Products are supplied under European standards in security and health, as well as specific standards requested for each part. Compared with other lifting systems and traditional structures of scaffolding, products of this firm offer evident competitive advantages. For half a century, ALBA Macro has stood out for its twofold commitment. Commitment with the clients and commitment with quality. Applications for ALBA Macro products are platforms for rehabilitation and painting, platforms for light new works, platforms for heavy new works, and rack pinion hoists and passenger hoists for site works. Mast climbing work platform PEC 120 for heavy new works is characterized by its simple assembly, high security levels and increased productivity. Work platforms can be twin or single mast. Twin masts reach maximum working lengths of 30.27 meters and nearly 10 meters in single mast models. Width is of 1.2 meters and can be increased by means of expansible decks. This PEC 120 model can be easily installed by only 2 operators, thanks to its light components and auto-assembly feeding system. High security levels are reached in different ways. Structure stability is assured at the base of the platform using 5 legs, including one central leg that supports 70% of the weight of the machine. Masts and platforms attached to this base are manufactured in stainless, non-slipping steel. Handrails and baseboards guarantee total protection for operators and people working or walking under the machine. A ladder with a door provides easy access to the platform. Maximum firmness of the column of masts is assured thanks to the double fixation between each mast. And to the anchors to the wall of the building. Furthermore, mast protectors avoid accidents by trapping when the machine is at work. The elevation module is furnished with a limit system for overspeeds, and also limit switches that control the main functions of the whole machine, such as going up and down, auto-leveling, and last mast detections. As well, a final mast in red and without a pinion prevents the frame from crashing should the other security systems fail. In addition to mast climbing work platforms, ALBA Mackerel offers to professionals of the building area passenger and material hoists manufactured with rack pinion systems. As has already been explained, in the mast climbing work platforms, assembling of passenger and material hoists is extremely simple, since every model has a self-assembling system so that 2 operators are enough to assemble the machine. The initial work is to prepare the surface, if necessary, as the first stage of the leveling of the bases. The task of taking up the masts in the machine is fast and simple. Anchoring and leveling is very easy. The next step is the placing of the floor stop rulers. The last step is to assemble the security mast that guarantees the automatic stop of the hoist while moving up should the rest of the security systems fail. The same function is provided when moving down if the machine turns to overspeed. More than 50 years of experience in the area of lifting machinery for work sites makes ALBA Mackerel a leading group in the international market. Security, reliability and comfort. 3 features of ALBA Mackerel product.